I'm LA Times columnist Patt Morrison. The subject of this week's Patt Morrison Asks is really twofold. The first is Jon Christensen. He's the editor of the newly launched magazine Boom, published by the University of California. It deals with all issues Californians, not just for us to read, but for the world to read. And the subject of this first issue is the Los Angeles Aqueduct. And this man, William Mulholland, who created that aqueduct, which opened 100 years ago, how it changed the psyche of Southern California, how it changed the landscape of Southern California, literally and figuratively, a controversial engineering project to this very day. All of that laid out in the pages of Boom, the new magazine edited by Jon Christensen, and the subject of the Patt Morrison Asks column this week in the Los Angeles Times.